Good afternoon, children. So,
Good
here we
afternoon,
can
ma'am.
start today's class. And in the last class, we discussed about different organs that are present inside our body, isn't it? So, different organs that are present inside our body. Not only that, their functions, what is the help they are doing to us? What is the function they are doing in our body? So these all we learned. I hope you write and study the spellings of it. I hope you read that textbook. And some of the notes also I had sent it. Isn't it? Some notes. Yeah. So one diagram is also there in that one. Okay. So complete it. Yeah. Yeah, complete it. Okay. And one more thing, children. So only one important organs we are discussing now. Okay. In that important organ, one is the brain. Isn't it? It is very important. Do you think like so? Brain.
Yes,
Brain is also
yes, ma'am.
very important.
Very important.
Yes, okay. So let me ask you, children. Parvana, Aravind. Yes, unmute Parvana. Yeah, why this brain is very important in our body?
We want to remember.
Okay, brain helps to remember. Okay, very good. Mute your audio. Any other answers? Please raise your hand, children. Those know the answers, please raise. Okay, Pranav Vishnu. Yes, Pranav Vishnu.
Brain is controlling all the parts of our body.
Very good, very good. Brain is the controlling system in our body. Brain is the controlling system in our body. It controls all the functions in our body. Okay, it controls all the functions in our body. And not only that, so that is why it is advised to use helmets. Am I correct? It is advised to use helmets when we ride two wheelers or bicycles. Hmm? Actually, yes, Aiden Rojo, yes, can you show me the place where is the brain situated in our body? Where is, yeah, no need to read it. Aiden Rojo, no need to read the textbook. See, look at me. So, where is your brain? Show me. Where is it? Where is your eyes? Where is your eyes, Aiden? Where is your eyes, Aiden? Can you show me your eyes? Aiden, please show me. Can you? Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Where is your nose, Aiden? Unmute. Show me, Aiden. Where is your nose? Wow, okay. So, where is your brain? Where is it? Where is the. Yeah, very good. I think you are fighting with your sibling or somewhere. Isn't it? That is why. Okay, so brain, it is there in our head. Isn't it? It is situated in our head. Okay, so it controls all the functions in our brain, in our body. So here we have, see here you can see this brain, isn't it? It is a jelly-like organ. You know what it is? Jelly toffees, jelly type toffees, that all, isn't it? So jelly, it is like a
Yes,
jelly type organ, very soft. And see, there is a covering, natural helmet is there, isn't it? There is a natural helmet over this brain that protects the brain. What is that natural helmet? Natural
hair.
helmet is, what is that hair?
No,
Head.
No, it is the skull. Have you heard about skull, children?
no, skull. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
skull, it is the framework of bone. It is the framework of bone. Our brain is inside that. See, when you are touching, just touch your head, children. Just touch your head. How is it? Is it soft or hard? Is it hard? Very hard.
Hard,
So that
very
is made
hard.
of the bone. That is made of that bone. Am I right? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am, you are right.
Yeah, so that is called skull. Okay,
Skull,
that is
okay,
called
ma'am.
skull. Inside the hard skull, our brain is situated. Brain is placed. Okay, so natural helmet is there here. And again, if we want to give that protection, that we have to wear this helmet, because that much important is there for the brain. See, if anything during some accidents, or if during some any other actions, if it makes the brain to get damaged, that can affect the whole function of our body. Okay, we can't move. Even see, if I want to raise my hand or to move my hands or legs, our brain should send some messages to the muscles which are there on my hands. Understood? Then only I can move. But if anything happens to that brain, Ameya, yes, you can draw that using the compass only when the brain sends the message on your fingers. Okay, so if it is not, if anything damage, if it happens onto a brain, will the brain be able to send message to other parts? No. So we can't do
No,
any
ma'am.
work. Yes, so that we can't do any work at that time. Got it? So this is what it happens in our body. So here, let me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
it is present inside the head. It is protected by the skull. Okay, the hard bone which it is covering the soft jelly-like brain, that is called skull. It controls all the functions in our body. Important. And in the second picture, can you see this, children? Second picture.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, we can
So,
see.
yeah, that is also brain. Okay, that is also
Okay,
our
ma'am.
brain. So you can see the brain is folded. That it is folded, isn't it? So many
Yeah.
foldings are there. You can see it. Okay, that
Mm.
is the specialty of this brain. And you can see two parts of it.
Yes,
Brain.
we
It
can
is
see.
called
Yeah.
lobes. It is called
Lobe.
lobes. Okay, there are
Lobe.
two lobes, L-O-B-E-S, two lobes in our brain. Okay, it is made
Okay,
of
ma'am.
two lobes, two parts. So, right part and left part. So, which it is, just I am taking it as right and this is as left. Left lobe, this is right lobe. Okay, so children, which is your right lobe on the of the brain? That is on the right side, isn't it? So left lobe, that is of the left side. Okay, likewise, two lobes are there. See, yes. See, this brain, if brain sends the message, then only we can think. It helps to think, it helps to write, it helps to do any work, it helps to sing, it helps to
Yeah,
run,
dance.
isn't it?
Yes.
So many activities. It is, yeah, dance also. If anybody is there who is playing or playing
Yeah.
instrumental music,
Yeah.
Yeah.
who is that? Just raise your hand. Let me see who is learning now instrumental music. Okay, Emmanuel. I can see Emmanuel. Emmanuel, which instrument you are learning, Emmanuel?
Organ.
Organ. Okay, organ. Okay, so you have to use it your mouth. Use that your mouth for. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Emmanuel.
Yes.
So see, when we are these lobes, two lobes are there, no? These two lobes
Yeah,
have
ma'am.
different functions. These two lobes have different functions. I will tell you. See, during the math class, math teacher will give you calculations. You have
Yes.
to write place value, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nowadays, place value. Jomi ma'am is teaching place value something. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So at that time, you are using the left part of your brain. Left part of your brain is helping you in calculation. Okay, calculation. Left part of the brain helps you to do calculation.
Calculate.
So in the math period, in the Janita, don't unmute. Okay, it is making some disturbing sound. So during the math period, when you are doing maths or when you are ma'am is giving some homeworks, actually you are training the which part of the brain?
Left.
Left part of your brain.
Left
Okay,
part of
you
the
are
brain.
really training the left part of the brain. So when you are doing more and more calculation, you are actually developing your brain. Okay, so I hope children hereafter you will not miss any opportunity. You will not miss any opportunities to learn math. Will you miss the homeworks now after this?
No.
No. Because when you are doing homework, it is you actually you are training your brain. Through the training, the brain will develop. The brain will develop. Got it? Understood? And another thing, see, if I tell you to write something from your memory or from that one, if you are reading something, Aiden is something, writing something is. Did I said anything to write, Aiden, yours? No, but also he is writing, isn't it? So at that time, he is actually training using the left part of the brain. Understood? For writing, reading, left part of the brain is helping us. Understood? That is why we should take writing practice. That through these writings, we will practice. When we practice these all, we are actually training our brain, especially the left part. Very interesting. Am I right, children?
Yes.
Is it interesting? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So, and
Yes.
another thing, I think Emmanuel, when he is practicing organ lessons, when he is practicing organ lessons, so actually the right part of his brain is developing. Right part of the brain helps us to do some do some creative things. Then also about instruments. These all will be helped by the right part of our brain. Okay, so Emmanuel, not only Emmanuel, okay, everyone should practice music also. Yeah, whether it will be a song, whether it will be a what it is, instrumental music, whether it be a poem, whatever it is, reciting, when you are reciting that all, it is actually developing your brain, especially the right part. Got it? Got it, children?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
so this is the common functions done by our brain. If anybody is very much interested in speech, some students are gifted to do the speeches. Am I right? Speech.
Ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So if they do that speech means Agnes is okay interested in speech. Agnes, okay. So when you are giving, when you are doing that speeches, can you tell me which part will help you? Which part of the brain? Your left part of the brain. Okay, left. Yeah, left part of your brain. Okay, and interestingly, see languages. Now you are learning four languages or something: English,
Languages.
Hindi, Malayalam, then French also. Are you
French
learning
also.
French? Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
See, when we are learning languages, that is clearly it is helping the development of our brain, and it is also the left part of it. Left part of it. Okay, when we learn different language, we are training our brain and also developing it. So don't miss any chance to learn the languages. Okay, don't think, oh, one more language is there. I won't learn. Don't say that. Don't miss it. When you learn more and more and more languages, your brain is developing. Okay, you are left. Yeah, so I am going to disable this chat. Some are chatting something. Okay, did I said anything to chat? I told you to listen the class. Am I right? So I
Yes.
think Aryan to
Yes.
Aryan to Ujay or something. Aryan, when you are sending the message chat, which part of the brain is helping you, Aryan? Writing. Which part of the brain is helping you for doing it? Left. Okay. Emmanuel. See, stop. Okay. Stop it. Okay, children. So these are the things it is about our brain. These all are functions. Simple function, but very important. And also, see, when we see some cake piece in front of it, our eyes will take that, no, that sight, and
Yes.
the eyes will send message through the nerves to our brain. So brain will check, oh, what is that one, what is that one? This is the pastry. Okay, so it will send the message to our eyes. Likewise, we can see the sense organs are collecting the things and sending it to our brain, and our brain is analyzing it and helping us to find out what is that thing. Okay, so clear, children? Is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am, clear.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so I think this my things are not in the textbook. I just explained a few more things. No, don't worry, just for your information. Okay, when you are in 6, 7,
Okay,
8
ma'am.
standards, you have to learn some more about these all organs. So I think, and when you learn that, when you will remember this, isn't it, Anamika and Avantika? Or you will forget it. Huh? Or will you remember at that time? Or you will forget it? What it is? Huh? You will remember. Okay, so if you want to remember, I think you have to read and read, right? So you have to develop your brain. Okay, by these or practices. Okay, so
Okay,
clear?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
brain, that is the main important part of or organ in our body that we want to learn. Now, children, I want to show you a picture. Okay. So just to see, don't unmute, just to see this picture. Just to see and understand it. After that, I will give chance to one of you. Okay? Okay. You understood this, isn't it? You saw this one. Okay. Let me give one small description about this. See two rocks we can see, isn't it? One on on the right side of it, one person is only standing there, and the other part of it, four people are there. Hmm? And heaven shows what they are actually doing. Heaven. Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, what they are doing here in this picture. But you understood, you can tell it. Whether it will be correct or wrong, no problem. Tell me. Just check.
There.
Ah, they are. Can you see the hands? Can you see the
Yes.
hands? Yes, from
Yes.
that one, what you understood?
They are trying
Mm.
to help.
Yeah, they are trying to take that person to their side, isn't it? They are
Yes.
helping that other person to bring to their side. Helping them, saving him, isn't it? I think
Yes.
they are saving that person. He is alone
Yes.
there. So, why Session And Abel, don't eat it. You doesn't have your lunch. You are eating that wire. Huh? Okay, listen. Session. If this person is alone there on the rock, will he be able to save that person, Session?
Yes.
Yes, alone also. Sometimes he also will fall down here.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Huh? Isn't it? Okay, so let me ask to Nora. Nora. Yes. Yes. You see, these much people are required to save that boy. Why? Why it is Nora? Why are you thinking like this? Ah, okay, then they can save this boy to here, isn't it? They can bring this boy to here because this person will help this one and he will pull him and he can pull him and this also will join. So all if they are working together, they can save this boy. Am I right? If it is single person, if it is a single person, he won't be able to say. But if a group of people are there, 4 or 5, that means a group, they can save that person. They can do that work perfectly. Am I correct, Rida? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. In this same way, in our body, so many organs are there. In our body, so many organs are there. And these organs work together to do a particular work. Understood? Huh? Some organs will form it into group. They will form it into group. And they will do that work. Clear? Say during the autumn seasons. Sometime, yeah, 2 years before and all, we used to keep the floral carpet competition. Pookala Malsaram. Am I right? So at that time, is that the same person is doing the design? Is the single person is taking the flower, cutting it, putting it? No. Different. No, for cutting the flowers, teacher will make a group that contain 3 or 5 students. For drawing the design, teacher will make a group that contain 2, 3 people, students. Am I right? For bringing the flowers also, she will make some group. And for keeping that flower pieces into that design, another group. So each group is working their part, and what is the result of this group? Floral carpet. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yeah. See, you have seen here cinemas. Isn't it cinemas? Nowadays cinema theaters are not open, but you can see these cinemas. Yes. In internet, using internet, you can see it. See, is this Suhana? Who is your favorite hero, Suhana? Unmute Suhana. You don't know. Unmute it. Yes. Who is your favorite hero? Mohanlal, Mammootty, Prithviraj, Salman Khan. Who is that? Select one person. Who is that?
No.
Dulkar. Okay. I didn't say that name. Okay, sorry. Dulkar. Okay. So sometimes along with Dulkar, one heroine, lady actors, isn't it? Female character also will be there. See, just think, and also saw some more supporting characters, comedians, isn't it? Comedians or hero's father, mother, sister. Likewise, so many will be there along with it. This all makes the story. Am I correct? Each character has to perform their own role. For example, hero Dulkar has to do one character, Dulkar's wife, heroine, another character, father, mother, brothers, likewise some stories. If anything happens to the hero or the heroine or the comedian, Will they be able to shoot the film?
No.
Okay. In the same way, in our body, so many organs are there. Each organ has to perform separate function. For example, if anything happens to our stomach, will the food be able to digest?
No.
Oh, some problem will come. If anything happens to our lungs, will we be able to breathe?
No.
Okay, understood, no? Yeah, we will die. Yes, that is what it is happening during this pandemic. Am I right? Okay, if the virus, if it act on the or affects the lungs, it won't start work properly. So that may lead to the death. That is what it happens. So in the same way, here you can see lot of organs. First of all, when we eat food, it may get it into throat, mouth, or after that food pipe, then to the stomach. Liver is also helping, small intestine, large intestine. Like these all organs are like these all organs are working together for digesting our food. Okay, in the same way, is that heart is there for digesting our food? Heart, do the lungs are involved in there? No. But but is the stomach is involved in breathing?
Yes.
Stomach,
No.
stomach, no. Okay, no. Kidneys are involved in breathing.
No. Yes. No.
Okay, which organ is pumping blood in our body?
Heart.
Heart, and also, yeah, heart, and also the blood tubes, isn't it? So their stomach has no role. Only heart in pumping blood in our body. Only the heart and its blood vessels have the role. Okay, each organs form it into a group. And this group of organs try to do some functions in our body. Okay, so when the organs group it into when the organs form it into group, and if they do some specific work or task, we can call it as organ system. Organ system means a group of organs. Okay, we can call the group of organs as organ system. Okay, another word for group of organs, we can call them organ system. So if anybody asks you what is an organ system, the group of organs inside the body that do specific tasks or work that are called organ system. Different organ systems are there in our body. This is the digestive system. This is circulatory system. This is nervous system. Have you heard about these all names, children?
Yes.
Yes. This is this group of organs. Sorry, we can call respiratory system. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn about the different types of organ system and their function. So example for organ system: digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system, nerve. Not only these four, so many are there. Circulatory system. Then what we can say, excretory system. Likewise, so many systems are there in our body. Group of organs are there in our body. Okay, so in the next class we will learn about that whole system. Okay.